and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabina if you're new here. I actually sat down to film an intro for this vlog and ended up doing like a 20-minute dialogue on everything that's happening in Palestine at the moment. So should have uploaded that as a separate video before this vlog goes live. I have been vlogging for you guys since the beginning of September because that's when I went back to work. So I don't know what order like the vlogs will go in, but hopefully you guys have a bunch of vlogs to watch throughout November and December. And if there's anything in particular you want to see, then let me know in the comments below. This week I was at a couple of events yesterday. I'm at an overnight stay in Babington House with SkinCeuticals today, so I thought I'd take you guys along and show you what I get up to. The boys are on half term, so I'll kind of show you what's been happening at home. I haven't really been working for the last 2 weeks. I feel like everything that's going on with Palestine kind of put a halt on work, and even now I don't feel like I want to be going back to work, or I should be going back to work. Like sharing luxury content or luxury lifestyle content or beauty or skincare kind of feels wrong when people don't have water and electricity and food and basic human rights, it feels a bit vulgar. So I'm going to film this. I don't know when it's going to go up. I don't even know when I'm going to start posting on Instagram again, at some point soon, inshallah. But yeah, that's what today's vlog. I've just had my SkinCeuticals facial and look at my skin. I feel like I haven't had a facial in the longest time. I don't want to put makeup on now. Like, look how much it's glowing, how clear it is. This is my skin. How? But yeah, I have dinner and afternoon tea in a bit, but I don't want to put anything on. Feels good. My makeup just would not go on right today, guys. I came back to the room after my facial and lunch and basically just had a good old cry when I was going through Instagram and looking at everything. And I just feel like, when your eyes are a bit swollen and it just won't go on properly. I feel like my lashes are a mess. And now my lights just run out whilst I'm about to get down to dinner. That's great, isn't it? Yeah, one did 100 pancakes. He just got back from nursery. So Fazal made him 100 pancakes. Yeah, what did you want to eat? Bismillah, Bismillah. You said 100, didn't you? No?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Bismillah. But why are there little pancakes?
There's little ones because you wanted it. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Have a go with your finger?
Yeah, just when it's this formula, I just feel like it's just so easy to blend in because you can just feel it as soon as it goes on.
Yeah, it really is that effortless product.
Yeah, I think with
For sure gonna go for a 12 for you.
Thank you. I love how it's also just chiseled that because of the angle that you did it on. I need it on the other side. Got to Bond Street to Hanover Square. They're putting up a whole like ice skating ring here. I look dead, guys. I'm gonna get my makeup done when I get there, but I always feel quite vulnerable and not very confident when my makeup isn't on, when I'm like not in the best headspace with everything that's been going on. Obviously I'm not in the best headspace at all, so I am feeling very, very nervous about this panel, if I'm honest. This is where I fell a couple of weeks ago. I think I vlogged that too. I was on my way to a Drunk Elephant event, and this is where I fell. I don't think I've been in, have I been in London since then? Yeah, I came in last week. Oh God, where's my head at? So this was actually a super exciting event. I did a panel at Vogue House. Every year Vogue run an event called 5 Days of Vogue Beauty. It's held at Vogue House, and this is the last time it's going to be held at Vogue House because the offices are moving, and I've never been to Vogue House, so I was really excited to visit the building and see all the history there. But for the 5 days, each day they have a panel and a certain topic, and I got invited to sit on a panel and talk about French beauty and French girl beauty, which was really fun. But actually I found like a community in the corner of the internet of like Muslim and South Asian women. We go with an eyelash curler. I'm so glad that you said that. Another day, another trip to Bond Street. I've just got off the station. I've got an event in Mayfair today in Claridge's. It's a fragrance event, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me just because I literally have been doing nothing at home. I feel like I haven't been functioning. Look at my makeup. My makeup looks so bad today. You know, when I haven't done it in so long, I really struggle, and I think I've got 2 different lashes on at the moment. And when my eyes have been just so sore from like not sleeping properly, just being overly emotional all the time, I feel like my makeup hasn't, I'm going this way, I feel like my makeup hasn't even gone on properly. But first world problems, hey? I feel like everything that's going on at the moment really just puts things into perspective. Guys, my sisters have just left, and we haven't even done skincare, but we sorted this just here is lipsticks, just this, and then that. So it's nearly 6 o'clock. We're gonna go to IKEA now and hopefully try and get this sorted when I get back. I'm being so basic with my dinner because I've got the fish and chips. He's like looking for the pepper now. I don't think he's found it. I really wanted to vlog the process and show you guys the setup and organisation, but I was trying to make videos for TikTok as well, and it just got too much trying to do it for YouTube and TikTok, because for YouTube it's this way and for TikTok it's the other way. This is a bit of a mess again because I have been using stuff, but this is what it looks like. These are just the IKEA Pax drawers, and then the holders are from a range of places like Primark. I ordered some online from Temu, some from Amazon. But yeah, this is what it looks like. If you want to see like a step-by-step setup video,
then head over to my TikTok because I have a few videos on there, and then I will do more soon. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess. It is a bit difficult to keep up with it. But I finally have like a proper setup for filming my beauty content. So hopefully in 2024, I'm going to be doing lots of more beauty stuff on YouTube too. So let me know whether you want dedicated beauty videos or whether you prefer to see like beauty snippets and product snippets within longer vlogs. And I will leave it here for today, and I'll see you all next time.